Chapter 2 Nouns. Learn with me. Look at the pictures below and read the words. Driver, rabbit, house, truck. Learn with me. The word driver is the name of a person. The word rabbit is the name of an animal. The word house is a place and the word truck is a thing. These naming words are nouns. Nouns are words that name people, place, animal or things. Notes. A word is a group of letters that has a meaning. Types of nouns. 1. Common nouns. Read the following sentences carefully with the common noun highlighted. 1. The dog ran in the park. 2. I read a book at the library. The word dog names an animal, book names a thing, and library names a place. These words are examples of common noun. Common nouns are everyday words that names general people, place, things or ideas. They are not specific and don't start with a capital letter unless they are at the beginning of a sentence. For example, your teacher calls all your friends as students. It is not a special word for one person. A common noun is a common name given to person, animals, place or things which are of the same kind. Examples: dog, city, teacher, book. 2. Proper nouns. Read the following sentences carefully with the proper noun highlighted. 1. Sam went to Disney World last summer. 2. Mrs. Smith is our teacher. The names Sam and Mrs. Smith are people and Disney World is a place. These words are examples of proper nouns. Proper nouns are special names for people, place or things. They always start with a capital letter. For example, Mary is a proper noun for a person. London is a proper noun for a city. And Coca-Cola is a proper noun for a drink. Your name is also a proper noun because it is a special name for a special you. Proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. Let's talk. Do you know the meaning of your name? Ask your parents or teachers. Examples: John, Reena, India, London, Tiger, Himalayas, Ganga, Samson, etc. Here are some more examples of common and their proper noun. Common noun, proper noun. Festival, Holi, Christmas, Eid, Gurpurab. Month, May, December. Day, Sunday, Monday. Language, English, Hindi, French. Monuments, Red Fort, Statue of Unity. River, sea, mountain, lake. Ganga, Arabian, Himalaya, Dal Lake. Book, newspaper, magazine. The Ramayana, The Times of India, India Today. Learn with me. Collective noun. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. The swarms of bees surrounded us in the evening. 2. The teacher was presented with a bouquet of flowers. Swarm and bouquet are example of collective noun in the sentence above. A collective noun names a group of people, animals, or things. A collective noun is mostly referred to the singular form, but sometimes a plural form may be used. Learn some more collective noun and their meaning from the table below. Collective noun meaning: team, a group of people working together. Example, sports team. Pride, a group of lions. Chore, a group of singers performing together. Fleet, a group of ships, especially warships or trading ships. Army, a large organized group of soldiers. Troop, a group of soldiers or group of kangaroos. Shiver, a group of sharks. Band, a group of musicians playing together. Convoy, a group of vehicles or ships traveling together, often for protection. Pod, a group of marine mammals such as whales or dolphins. Litter, a group of newborn animals, usually puppies or kittens. Array, a large group of something such as flowers or weapon. Cast, a group of actors in a play or movie.